Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can make your story public in Facebook Lite app. Okay, so you can see it's a Facebook Lite app interface. So I need to click here, add to story, and then click text, or you can also choose any photos if you want. So this time I'm going to choose text. So and then write anything, like I'm writing uh, how to totes, something like that. So after this you can see the left bottom corner, it's called privacy. Simply click on that. Once you click on that, then here will see some option like public, friends, custom, and hide story. So simply click on public. Once you click public, then save, and it's all okay, and then go here and you can share now. It's safe, so it's all right. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's normal, thank you for watching.